Uh, so here I made some products. I want to show the pH of my products. The first one, green color, is men's hygiene wash. It is he wash, and this second one is she wash, and this is body wash, this is face wash, and this is shampoo, and here I am having soap bar. So now we will check the pH. In each and every product. Actually, the pH of the product is tested in a proper method, that there is a amount of soap to be dissolved in amount of water, and then you need to check. But here I am showing you directly. I am dipping the pH strips into the products what I made. So we'll see here. So it will be 5. The pH is 5. Now I will see in this. This is also 5. Now I'll check in the body wash. So this is also 5. Now this is face wash. So the pH is 5. Now finally we will see in shampoo. This is plasma activated charcoal and 48 herbs shampoo I made. So this will be also around 5. So all my products have pH 5 or in between 5 to 6 when you dilute it. So all are skin pH friendly, and these products are not adjusted. I mean, the pH is not adjusted with any triethanol amine, or it does not contain any chelating agents like EDTA or disodium EDTA. Everything 100% natural. In this I used green color, and this is yellow pigment I have added, but the two, they are food color, and very slightly I add per kg. I add only just 2 drops, and these are completely the body wash, face wash, and the shampoo are completely natural color. Now we will see the pH of my soap. So here now I diluted the soap with water. Now I will put the strip and I will show you. So you can see that the pH is 6. So these are my products pH, which are very good skin pH friendly. So here the green one is he wash, personal hygiene, and yellow is the she wash for women hygiene product, and this is body wash, this is face wash, this is shampoo, and this is soap bar. So all my products are pH balanced. So if someone want to buy my products, you can WhatsApp me on 9542786627, or you can visit my page. You can visit our social you can visit our social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, by name Tia Soaps. You can visit my website theaojas.com, THEAOJAS, theaojas.com. If you have any concerns or any issues, skin and hair issues which you want to discuss and talk to me, you can first WhatsApp me, so that I will call you and I will take your call and I will discuss with you. You can also email us at theasoaps@gmail.com or info@theasoaps.com. So I make almost 300 variety of products. All my products are completely natural. Now we will see the consistency of these liquid soaps what I made here. First we'll see this. This is the consistency. This is body wash. Now we'll see the face wash. This face wash is specially made for acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and for excess sebum. So actually now I am adding plasma activated charcoal for my face wash, body wash, and also for shampoo. Now this is shampoo. I don't add any gums in my products. So in summer it will be little thin. Generally the natural products, natural shampoo or natural body wash, face wash, which are made with oils, should be thin to make good foam. Thank you.